Weather this good is a rare sight in the desert. A sandstorm may slow us down, but it can never stop our spirit. The Tribe Elder always said I was a dreamer. Well, looks like dreams can come true.
Halo guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh guys. Selamat pagi semuanya ya guys ya. Oh kemarin server ya. Selamat datang buat kalian semua yang nonton live ataupun replay ya guys ya. Ini kita tebak-tebakan dulu ya. Tim TS kah? Yangun oke sih, Yangun sih. Waduh, nih. Sorry banget nih ya. Waduh, feeling gue sih tim Liquid ya. Udah kita Onyx, kita all in guys, Onyx guys ya. Oke, jadi ini hari keberapa ya? Kelima ya. Gua push rank lagi guys. HP dapat kah gua? Dapat yes. Kemarin gua nggak login sama sekali bro. Sabar ya. Bagi pura-pura aja baginya mah. Kalian udah level berapa di sini guys? Gatot kaca bro, god damn. Real Meow anjay, sponsor kah langsung aja guys ya. Gue lagi mood make Hilda sih, Hilda sama siapa sih namanya, Khalid. Tanky. Bentar ya, gue lihat ini dulu. Oke, udah betul. Takutnya salah sambung ini kan wifi-nya. Gord, gelo Gord ya bro. Kalian pilih duluan aja ya guys ya. Aku belakangan nanti aman. Li Cheng Zui, Bow, ya, Macau. Apakah Leomord keluar? Keren banget. Ini mah enak buat Hilda nggak sih bro? Tapi udah ada Uranus ya. Tetap Hilda nggak sih guys? Apa ini ya? Hilda Khalid guys. Hilda sih, the best sih Hilda. Enak banget ini Hilda bro. Ini MM harusnya udah berjaya ya. MM kita harusnya berjaya banget ini guys. Ada 3 tembok di depannya kan. Alu, Hilda, Uranus. Dia tipis-tipis semua sih, enak nih buat si Alu. Kalau nggak keangkat Saber mah. Hanabi lu dia. Kita pakai master assassin nggak ya? Nggak usah lah ya. Enjoy kan dia junglernya. Dia pakai pull yourself. Loh, Sabernya pakai ituan loh yang buat jungler. Master Assassin ya. Dari hit aja kali gue, dari hit ya. Setengah darah bro, dia langsung bro. Mati anjay. Flicker dia, flicker. No flicker dia ya. Mati gak sih tuh?
Carry my faith to the grave. Initiate retreat, Icefield warriors. Don't bring shame upon our ancestors' glory. Ha! My axe begs to differ. I have to be strong enough to shelter my
Hahaha. Kena kamu deh. Nah, kurang ajar dia. Aduh, ganti harus gitu ya, kok ganti ya.
Life to the things she wants to protect. Request backup. Attack the turtle.
Dia di bawah, bro.
Understood from everything she loves. An ally has slain the turtle. Slain. Epic outplay. Initiate retreat. I will not dishonor the name. Mother, I know you are watching over me.
Hui, hui, hui.
If only I had
Wah, kena dia.
where to next.
Wah, mati tuh atasnya tuh. Hancur, bro.
Has been destroyed. Launch attack. Forging ahead is the only way for me to escape the past. The past is the past. Initiate retreat. Launch attack. Your team destroyed the turret. Request backup. Understood. Forefathers, I need my answer. You have slain an enemy.
Aduh, tetap mati, bro. Nggak apa-apa. Is okay, aman. Turtle, bro. Turtle. Aman, le. Wih, wih.
I have to be strong enough to shelter my people. An ally has slain the turtle. I'll carry my faith to the grave. Initiate retreat.
Ada Joy ya, bro. Perhatikan map.
Forefathers,
Bawahnya kenapa ya nggak bisa sabar gitu ya bawahnya, bro? Bawahnya ini sangatlah apa lah ini, guys.
warrior would give life to the thing she wants to protect. Launch attack. Mother, I know you are watching.
Oh my god, god damn, bro, dia udah all in, bro.
My axe begs to differ. Launch attack. I will not dishonor the name you gave me.
Udah bujuk.
Launch attack. Forging ahead is the only way for me to escape the past.
Bacot bener ya Anabi gue ya.
Let's get the turtle. Icefield warriors don't bring flame.
Bisa nggak sih jangan bacot gitu loh, kalau bacot sesuai sama apa yang lu bisa. Ini udah main di bawah terus, ngebacot pula.
Launch attack. Team destroy the turret. Attack the turtle. The warrior's strength comes from everything she loves. Thank you.
Nah.
Launch attack. Ally has been slain. Ally has been slain.
Pusing gue anjay sama orang-orang kayak gitu, kok bacot banget ya.
Initiate retreat. Only I had the power. Huh. Request backup. Ally has been slain. Launch attack. Initiate retreat. Launch attack. Icefield warriors, don't bring shame upon our ancestors' glory.
Bocil kah nabinya guys ini guys. Bacot banget. Kok kayak inilah main solo ya. Orang mah fokus aja main gitu bro.
Launch attack. Strength comes from everything she loves. Initiate retreat.
Kita tungguin sini ya.
Dishonor the name you gave me.
Aman, udah all in.
Where to next? Launch attack. Superb AoE. Double kill.
Balik. Bawahnya hancur nggak sih? Hancur sih harusnya.
Your team has destroyed a turret. Our turret has been destroyed. Launch attack. Long enough to shelter my people. Ally has slain Lord.
Kita bikin Dumi kan? Kayaknya udah ada Valir dah.
Forefathers, I need my answer.
Ya sih gue nggak terlalu butuh Domi ya sih bro.
Initiate retreat. A true warrior would give life to the thing she wants to protect. The power turret is under attack.
Buset,
Shut down.
buset, kena ini gua.
Launch attack.
Kena siapa? Saber, Gord.
Launch attack.
Siapa tuh flicker tuh? Nggak ngeliat lagi gua. Tembus itu. Udah jenis, dia jenis one, tuh kan.
Mother, I know you are watching over me.
Gua harus domi kah? Domi dah gua.
Forging ahead is the only way for me to escape the past. Initiate retreat. Power. Request backup. I'll carry my fate to the grave. Your team destroyed. Launch attack. Initiate the blast enemy.
Malah gua solo kill, bro. Yo, mau kemana? Mau kemana? Kejar, 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 kejar. Bener kan? Modal bacot doang, cuy. Hanabi, cuy.
My axe begs to differ. I'll carry my faith to the grave.
Alhamdulillah.
Retreat. Need my answer. Request backup. Request backup. The path. Enemy slain.
Ya lu ini deket-deket gue malah nggak bisa attack speed, bro. Iya kan? Gelo. Untung aja ada Alu.
Victory.
Kau lihat aja Nabi itu, yeping doang dia. Kita blokir dulu nggak sih, bro? Kita blacklist ya. Ini teman-teman gue pada main ini. Again and again roam ya.
Please ban a hero.
Kayak gue nggak usah ban, Grok ban sih harusnya sih. Gedek aja sih gue sama Grok. Ini nggak sih Sora.
Your team is banning.
Dia mau Cyclops kah? Cyclops jungle kah? Kalau gitu berarti kita ban. Waduh, langsung ban tuh dia.
Your team is
Dia nggak ngeban bro. Lepas tuh apa tuh? Leo lepas Leo. Astaga, yang tadi kah ini?
the enemy is
Enggak, bukan sih, bukan. Aduh, coy kematian coy. Hilda lagi masa gua. Apa ya? Pilih duluan gak sih? Perlihatkan dahulu bro. Kalea kayaknya enak ya.
The night sky
Namanya
tells
Kalea ada
all
dulu.
seals in Edinburgh a real
the
fight.
enemy is picking.
Apa ini pakai emblem ituan? Gini kah atau gini? Tapi nggak ada speednya ya, udah gini lah.
Want to make friends
Tapi
with
mungkin agak tipis ya gua.
Is picking.
Valor and royalty in a dead
Ini
body.
penting sih. Pull yourself. Wih, kita Leo, ada Leo. Aman. Bisa nih kita menang nih.
Payback. The enemy is picking.
Itemnya apa ya?
When the body suffers, the spirit blooms.
Lah ini kok ada yang pakai ituan sih dia? Oh enggak deh. Waduh, Bennett ya. Berarti Khalid ya. Aturan tadi Hilda enak sih. Udahlah, nggak apa-apa lah. Waduh, Hanzo TikTok bro. Namanya lu udah Hanzo kan. Kayak ngeri banget ini orang nih. Jago sih dia nih.
Welcome to Mobile Legends.
Gua ambil skill apa dulu ya?
Reach of the battle.
2 sih harusnya.
Smash them. All trust the power. I can beat them all with just my tail.
Gua ambil skill 2 dulu deh. Dia pasti rusuh sih. Emblem dia apa? Nah, lalu nice, hilang ya.
Fist that breaks waves. You also just touch the shield's colors.
Hujan guys, kedengeran ya suaranya?
Obviously, everyone does that. Arguing is so pointless.
Ais. Aman itu, majuin aja, sumpah. Lewanya kagak mau maju guys. Stiker ya. Tahu lagi tuh si anak kodok.
You're going nowhere. Level 4. If you insist on fighting together, just don't get in my way. Launch attack.
Mati dia. Nice, itu loh. Let's go. Kita berharap kepada Leo Morte ya di game ini ya. Wih, ini ngapain nih? Aduh, nggak kena lagi. Kejauhan range-nya, guys. Udah. Mundur. Wih, diflickerin bro. Mati sih dia harusnya tuh. Ayo. Nice. Sini ke arah gue bro. Hah? Hilang anjay. Wah nggak bisa sih, sakit banget mana bro. Hilang tuh otaknya tuh. Wah ngefit kah gue nih, ngefit guys. Wih, istighfar wih. Astaga. Wah, saya kena. Gue kira dia balik ya. Aduh, feeder kah gue ini? Atasnya hilang lagi. Midnya aja push bro. Nice, dia hidup sih, saya percaya dia. Aduh, feeder gua, sorry dah kawan-kawan. Wih. Hanabi. Mana Hanabinya, bro? Aduh, nggak kena dia. Kurang jauh, bro. Mati gua. Mati sih dia harusnya. Gue nextnya bikin ini dah, item baru dah. Baru deg. Item baru dulu ya. Karena si Hanzo nya ini kan attack speed ya. Cocok pakai item baru. Ngeribetin gila ininya.
My ancestral power has a mind of its own, seeking out those in need. Our turret is under attack. Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat.
Aduh, hah? Buset, pakai sky piercer dia, guys. 3 sky piercer dia. Lordnya ngasih udah, biarin Lord. Bennettnya ngeselin sih. Balik gue, kagak ada retri, bro. Ah, dapet dah dia. Maksa banget.
Bananas need to be peeled? Obviously, everyone knows that. Sir!
Dapet tuh padahal tuh. Dapat susah dia emangnya dia tuh. Awas dong, kan udah bukain map ya. Buset ya. Dikata apa kali gue udah bukain map loh.
Our turret has been destroyed. Initiate retreat. I dare you. Your turret is under attack.
Ini gimana caranya kita menang guys?
Fine, I'll give it a try. There's no backing out now. Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Initiate retreat. Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Udah ulti dia.
The fist that breaks waves can also be the gentle pressure that treats others. You like that shit? Retreat. Wave breaker.
Flicker dia.
Our base is under attack. Tsunami flare. Done playing around? Our base is under attack. Surge. Surge. Test me. I dare you. No way. Request backup. Wave breaker. Slain Lord. Initiate retreat.
Terus nice. Kita balikin bro.
Backup. There's no backing out now.
Ini harus dijagain dari Bennett ini.
Resist that wave. Gently touch that heals others. Attack enemy lord. Initiate retreat. My ancestral power has a mind of its own. Taking out those. Initiate retreat. Left in me. Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat.
Kita bikin apa lagi bro?
Initiate
Domi dah. Kagak ada yang bikin glowing apa ya? Itu udah Domi sih Esme.
inhibitor turret under attack.
Ya Allah kejauhan bro.
That didn't count. I was initiating retreat.
Aduh. Ayo man bisa man. Ayo man bisa. Iya lo ini perjuangan ya guys ya. Aduh sama aja bohong kambing. Gak enak banget kali ya bro. Sorry dah, my bad. MVP tetap gua. Lah. Aneh banget loh. Ah iya, gue lupa ganti lagi.
Your team is banning.
Tadi ketemu mabar kan dia?
The enemy is picking.
Granger lagi bro.
Your team is picking.
Love outshines the golden crown.
I am vengeance incarnate.
Kalau dia Natalia, gue lagi pengen Franco sih sebenarnya bro.
Time to chit-chat.
Wah
Where's
dipakai
my
Natalianya
tongue?
anjay.
Pick a hero.
Gokil. Ini Franco enak sih. Atau Khalid ya, Khalid sih enak sih gua.
The unseen world that tells the best stories.
Kita lawannya orang-orangan ini ya, Natalia ya. Harusnya dia Roam sih, Natalianya Roam sih.
Light will fall prey.
It is better to be feared
Orang bener kan Roam kan Natalianya bro.
if you cannot both.
Apakah gua rusuh nih guys? Kayaknya enak buat rusuh nggak sih guys lawannya guys? Win ya?
game, and I decide how it's played.
Kayaknya rusuh enak sih ini guys. Legend, skin legend bro, Gwyn, jago ini orang ini. Akhirnya kita ada yang menggendong nih guys, Gwyn ya, Gwyn, gendong. Menang gak sih ini harusnya nih Gwyn, legend bro. Match kali ini kita digendong sama Gwyn ya. Tadi dia pakai emblem apaan tuh dia?
5 seconds till the
Ini
enemy
enakan
reaches the battlefield.
hijau atau merah ya? Merah ya.
All troops deployed.
Sam lies ahead.
Aduh, di execute dia. Executes. Gantian ya. Sir, ngapain sih gua? Sorry. My bad.
Request backup.
Onward. We win or we die. Beware of the quicksands.
Enemy reached level 4.
Our fate
Enemy reached level 4.
Mati tuh wes. Win. Astaga. Dapat dari darah lagi dia.
way of the sand lies ahead of me.
Baitnya lama banget lagi.
The sand will take you.
Aman ye. Aman ye.
My determination is 1,000 times stronger than my scimitar.
Kita spionin Nata nggak sih? Aduh, sekarat banget ya.
The sand will take you.
Kiaman. NU ya. Nggak mati lagi dia.
Initiate retreat.
Feel the heartbeat of the desert.
NU dia.
Your team destroyed a turret. Slain the turret. Shut down. Hulk is not ready.
Cowards don't deserve peace.
Launch attack! Launch attack!
Nothing to fear, but fear itself. The sand will take you.
An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain. Launch attack! Destroy the turret!
Feel the heartbeat.
Duh, gue udah nge-bait lama banget itu, bro. Aduh, agak susah ya.
Our fate.
Initiate retreat!
Honest eyes.
Buang skill nggak sih, Odet?
The sand will take you.
Your team destroyed a turret. An ally has slain the turtle.
Onward! We win or we die.
Oh, not ready. Ally has been slain. Has been slain.
Nothing to fear, but fear itself. Everything is only measurable with the honest eyes. I speak for the sands.
Kita ngumpulin stack dulu ya. Nggak bisa lah dia di atas, bro.
Nothing to fear, but fear itself. Beware of the quicksands.
Was, ya lo nekat juga, bro.
Our fate flows beneath our feet.
An enemy has been slain. Our turret has been destroyed. Shut down. Our turret
Langsung dihabek, langsung dihajar bro.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Nggak kepancing lagi dia. Lah malah ultinya ke gua dia. Waduh, meningsoy. Jago kan atas apa? Buin nih jago guys.
An enemy has been slain. Your team destroyed kills. Shut down. Ally has been slain.
I speak for the sands.
Kayak dia nggak tahu deh.
Cowards don't deserve peace. Feel the heartbeat of the desert.
Initiate retreat.
Oh dia tuh harus buang-buang skill dulu. Aduh malah sini gua bro. Salah jalur bro. Alah apaan sih?
Onward! We win or we die.
Aduh. Sekarang anomalinya Odet guys.
Way of the sun was ahead. Onward! We win or we die.
Hampir saja hujan guys.
Cowards don't deserve peace. Nothing to fear but fear itself.
Kita beli item baru ya. Buat si Argus ini guys.
Feel the heartbeat of the desert.
Gue ini ya deh.
The sands will take
GG. Kan gak sih bro? Goddamn. GG Gwyn. Kan gue bilang apa guys? Gue udah prediksi kan Gwyn ini emang jago bro. Kena 2 lu langsung gue masuk ya kan, langsung hajar. langsung aja serepet ya kan. Ini berapa bintang nih gua hari ini MVP mulu kayaknya nih, roman-romannya MVP nih gua nih. Oke, jadi mungkin cukup sampai di sini ya guys ya live-nya guys. Sudah 1 jam nggak terasa. Berapa game kita guys? MVP semua, gelo, the best. 3 game doang hari ini ya? Bener 3 game doang. Ya benar 3 game. Kemarin tuh gue mulai dari jam berapa sih? Dari jam 9. Oke, jadi terima kasih banyak buat kalian semua yang udah nonton live ataupun replay ya guys ya. Terima kasih juga buat kalian yang udah komen, yang udah like, yang udah share, yang udah subscribe ya guys ya. Sampai jumpa di live besok kali. Enggak deh, kapan ya? Jumat mungkin kali, nggak tahu gua. Sampai jumpa di live selanjutnya guys. Semoga kalian semua panjang umur, sehat selalu, bahagia selalu, dan banyak rezekinya guys. Amin ya robbal alamin. Mohon maaf bila tadi ada salah-salah kata ya guys ya. Thank you guys, bye bye. Sampai jumpa di live selanjutnya. Bye bye guys. Thank you guys.